Alright, welcome back to Graff's Woodshop, and today we are talking about eye protection. Now, if you're like me, you wear glasses, finding a good pair of eye protection, some good eyeglasses, can be a struggle. Either they don't fit right, they get stuck to your glasses, or something like this. But these made by Dewalt, they're the DPG82. That's quite a name. They need a better name for these. But anyways, they're working really good for me. They fit over my glasses just fine. Now, if your glasses are bigger than mine, you might look somewhere else, but I'll leave a close-up of my glasses here at the end. But I really like these. They fit over just fine. They also form up around your face really well. Don't let a lot of dust in, which is a nice little feature as well. And yeah, I'm much more likely to wear eyeglasses now that I have these. So great to have. So yeah, link in the description down below. Be sure and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.